Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 30th, 2026, and we're diving into Colgate-Palmolive's fourth quarter and full year 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Colgate-Palmolive, a leader in oral care, personal care, home care, and pet nutrition, has just released their latest earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Colgate-Palmolive reported net sales of $5.23 billion for the fourth quarter, a 5.8% increase from last year. However, the GAAP EPS showed a significant decline. John, can you explain this?
Absolutely. While net sales increased, the GAAP EPS declined by 106% to minus 5 cents, primarily due to a $794 million non-cash charge for goodwill and intangible assets impairment related to their skin health business. On a brighter note, the Base Business EPS, which excludes these charges, increased by 4% to 95 cents, surpassing the analyst forecast of 91 cents.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Colgate-Palmolive's gross profit margin slightly decreased to 60.2%. Despite this, they maintain a strong market share in toothpaste and toothbrushes. What does this indicate about their operational efficiencies and future outlook?
The slight decrease in gross profit margin reflects the challenging market conditions. However, Colgate's strong market share in oral care products underscores their brand strength. Looking ahead, the company expects net sales growth of 2% to 6% in 2026, driven by their strategic focus on innovation and global brand penetration.
Strategic initiatives and leadership commentary. CEO Noel Wallace commented on the company's strategic initiatives and future plans. Can you elaborate on their 2030 strategy and leadership's vision?
Certainly. Noel Wallace emphasized the resilience of Colgate's business model and their commitment to growth through the 2030 strategy. This includes leveraging their global reach, enhancing innovation, and focusing on omni-channel demand generation. Additionally, they are evolving their culture to be more inclusive, which is crucial for long-term success.
Impairment charges and market reaction. The significant impairment charge related to the skin health business has caught the market's attention. How has this affected Colgate-Palmolive's share price, and what actions is the company taking?
The $794 million impairment charge led to some volatility in Colgate's share price as investors digested the news. The company has acknowledged the weaker-than-expected performance, particularly in China, and is taking steps to improve the business's performance. They remain optimistic about the growth prospects of their skin health segment.